called as Ask the Doctor. Well, today, as you all know, that this is iPulse Day. Well, iPulse today stands as, it's a super brand. It is one of the flagship products of Indus Viva. Well, it's an immune boosting supplement. At the same point of time, it is also called as an antioxidant drink as well. So there are two important things that you need to understand so far as iPulse is concerned. See, one thing is it's an antioxidant drink which is also known as a cardioprotective support, as well as it is also an immune system support, my dear friends. Well, the most important thing here is antioxidants and oxidation are the two things which are connected to each other. One thing is oxidation happens every second in our body because we are inhaling something called as oxygen. That is the reason why oxidation is actually happening inside our bodies. Oxidation is a chemical reaction basically that occurs during cellular processes such as metabolism and inflammation. It increases with exposure to environmental toxins such as pollution, cigarette smoking, alcohol, ultraviolet rays, strenuous exercise and alcoholic use as such. Simply put, oxidation creates highly reactive unstable molecules, which we call this as the free radicals, which can cause DNA damage and destruction of cells and tissues. Antioxidants are substances that prevent and manage these free radicals and their damaging effects. The body produces its own antioxidants, but external antioxidants always help them in combating the free radicals. It is quite simple. All of us are on respiration. So in fact, we are respiring in the oxygen and respiring out the carbon dioxide. So during this process, automatically the oxidation happens inside the human body. But the internal, the antioxidants are already present inside the body, which can take care of this condition. But sometimes when it is not possible, we need to use external antioxidants to combat these conditions as well. So this is where the role of dietary antioxidants, otherwise called as iPulse, plays a very important role. Well, not only this, my dear friends, iPulse contains the goodness of berries. As you all know that acai berry is one of the most important fruit which is present in iPulse. At the same point of time, it contains the goodness of berries. See, these berries, all of you know that these are called as exotic fruits. They are called as exotic fruits. They are not the desi fruits. They are called as the exotic fruits. So they are in fact the fruits which are having good levels of phytochemicals in them. So those which are naturally occurring nutrients that protect cells from damage. Especially these acai berries, blueberries, blackberries, mulberries, these kinds of super fruits, whatever we call it as berries, they are rich with antioxidants, which are otherwise called as mesonutrients or phytochemicals, which are rich with polyphenols basically. So these polyphenols actually help you in getting the best of the best antioxidant benefits. So whenever these polyphenols are taken in adequate amounts, automatically the antioxidant capabilities of the body can shoot up, and then it can help in combating these free radicals, my dear friends. So berries also help you to keep mentally sharp. This is important. So women who eat about 2 servings of strawberries or 1 serving of blueberries a week experience less mental decline over the time. So this is what the scientific research articles have come out. So in fact, one of the neurology journal has said that nearly around 16,000 women over the age of 70, they actually consume this berry intake on a daily basis, and their cognitive increase happened, their cognition or their memory enhanced, so that they became mentally sharp as well. This is what is the importance of consuming berries, my dear friends. Berries also help in keeping the diabetes at bay. This is also very important. Even though berries are sweet to taste, but this kind of sweet is not sugar to the body. In fact, this sweet is nothing but your fructose sugar. So this is called as fructose sugar and not the sucrose or the table sugar which comes out from our sugar cane. So because of this, berries can also be a part of diabetic diet. So you can give iPulse, you can give berries safely to the diabetic population. This is because of this. So not only this, berries might also have the function of preventing the Parkinson's disease. This is very important. One of the studies of neurology has stated that at least 2 servings of berries a week has a 25% less chance of developing Parkinson's disease. So whatever the references I am quoting right now are derived from scientific articles. I am not telling it myself, it is from the scientific articles. So berries could boost heart health also. This is also very important. So one of the studies which was published in a medical journal says that a diet rich with raw fruits and vegetables, including berries, reduces the chances of having a heart attack. This is very important. That is the sole basis of iPulse actually. In fact, iPulse is also considered as a cardioprotective drink along with its antioxidant abilities. So in fact, one of the articles, it also mentioned that the genetic risk is also reduced by the consumption of berries in one of the medical journals related to neurology. Not only this, berries are also very important for optimum weight control. This is also very important because berries contain a lot of liquid and fiber, because of which it gives you a sense of fullness or satiety, which means that it can effectively combat weight gain. So not only this, berries are also good for low blood pressure. In fact, for the blood pressure problems, to lower the blood pressure. It says that a berry rich diet is always important for people with high blood pressure to normalize or to regularize their blood pressure to normalcy. That is what berries are also meant for. They are also helpful in normalizing the blood pressure. So it also contains a lot of fibers and other phytochemicals like anthocyanins or proanthocyanidins, which can effectively cut down the blood pressure, my dear friends. So in fact, it is also important for fighting against the cancer as well, because flavonoids which are present in berries, they are effective antioxidants which can be used against dreadful conditions like cancer as a part of dietary supplement. As a part of diet, this can be used actually. So flavonoids mainly, along with that the proanthocyanidins or the anthocyanins was what we call. These are called as the phytochemicals or the mesonutrients which are present inside the berries, which can effectively help in improving the quality of life in cancer patients. So along with this, berries can also help in preventing the Alzheimer's problem as well. The antioxidants which are present in the berries can effectively fight against the age-related neurodegeneration. We call this as the age-related neurodegeneration. Whenever a person ages, the brain cells also weaken. So whenever the brain cells are weakening, the synapses or the joining areas between the brain cells, the nervous signals are not passing properly. This can actually result in Alzheimer's disease. So this can also be controlled because of this proanthocyanidins as well as the flavonoids which are present inside the berries. This can reduce the risk of neurodegenerative cases, and it can also improve this memory, as well as the polyphenols which are present in these berries can effectively combat Alzheimer's problems. Well, these are some of the wonderful aspects of berries, as I told you right now. See, berries, not only one, lots of berries are there in our products, iPulse as well as iVed as well. It applies to both the products, my dear friends. So berries have all these medical attributes. Well, as you all know that iPulse is not only berry drink, it contains a total of 15 antioxidant fruits, which are synergistic fruits by nature actually. Synergistic fruits in the sense it has similar kind of qualities. So each and every fruit will have similar kind of qualities, so that their synergism, their additive benefits, their additional benefits can be seen. So they are called as antioxidant fruits basically, and totally a 15 group of 15 antioxidant fruits are actually present in this wonderful product iPulse, my dear friends. Well, that is one part of it. The second important thing that everybody needs to know is, because of this antioxidant nature, automatically the immune boosting capabilities of the product also enhances. Whenever the antioxidants are fighting out the free radicals are actually called as the causes or the root causes of the diseases. So whenever the root causes of the diseases are fought off, automatically the resistance of the human body increases, by which people will not suffer from any kind of dreadful disease in the future as well. I hope my point is clear to everybody. Well, the other point that nobody should forget in iPulse is, because of the presence of proanthocyanidins or the polyphenols, it is protecting your heart health. This is also very important. iPulse will definitely protect your heart health. This is because heart health, in the sense it is not cardiac arrest or heart attack that I am speaking about. Cardiac arrest or heart attack are the final phases of the cardiac disease. but there are initial phases of the cardiac health as well, which means that a lot of reasons are there, a lot of free radicals are there which are actually causing these heart problems. It may start from diabetes, smoking or chewing tobacco, which is nothing but addictions, hypertension or blood pressure, high blood cholesterol, lack of exercise, unhealthy eating habits. Stress is also one of the important things. Breathlessness or exertion, breathlessness on sleeping down or sleeping position or lying down position, swelling in the legs, puffiness of the face, excessive fatigue or tiredness, bloating of the abdomen, which we call this as the gastrointestinal diseases, otherwise called as gas problems, weight gain or weight loss. All these things, when you put together, these are all the free radicals. These are nothing but the root causes of the diseases. So whenever the root causes of the diseases are increasing in the body, automatically the free radicals will increase. So whenever the free radicals are increasing, you might have to require the use of antioxidants. Whenever the antioxidants are taken in adequate quantity, so automatically the free radicals will be neutralized. When the free radicals are neutralized, the human body will have the homeostasis, which means that the body will maintain its balance and it will not suffer from any kind of a dreadful disease or infection in the future, my dear friends. I hope now you have known, now you have come to know about joining the dots so far as the cardioprotection, the immunoboosting, the antioxidant activities of this wonderful product iPulse is concerned. Well, not only this, as you all know that iPulse contains the wonderful acai berry, which is a superfruit which is present in this product, which is indigenous only to the rainforests of South America. And in fact, this is used as a food supplement for more than a century now, and a lot of scientific articles are available on this acai berry as one of the best antioxidant ingredients. Not only this, it is one of the best heart support ingredient. It is #1 antioxidant for anti-aging support. It is having ORAC score of more than 1 lakh, which will which is considered as one of the top ORAC scores of fruits and nuts available till date. Not only this, it is also shown wonderful effects in combating producing a quality of life in cancer patients. It is one of the best immune system support, and these are some of the attributes of this wonderful ingredient acai berry. So in fact, even in iPulse, the form in which acai berry is used is very important. The form in which acai berry is used is actually called as the freeze-dried powder of acai berry. So whenever you are using freeze-dried powder, you don't have to worry about any of the side effects of acai berry, my dear friends. Freeze-dried powder is a unique, novel and a patented technology that we are using, wherein the fruits will be freezed at -80 degrees Celsius and then it will be dried. And this particular ingredient can be used for formulating this particular product. It is used, which means that it has the same naturalness, the same quality which is present on the fruits which is on the treetop, and the same quality is present in our product iPulse as well. This is how this particular fruit is actually made or formulated in this product. Well, the World Health Organization clearly says that each and every human being requires at least 5,000 ORAC units of antioxidants on a daily basis. In order to get this, you need to consume 3.5 kgs of fresh organic fruits on a daily basis. So if you are not able to get this, you are not able to get 5,000 ORAC units of antioxidants. So that is the reason why we have formulated iPulse in such a way that whenever you are drinking 60 ml of iPulse on a daily basis, you are getting 7,000 ORAC units of antioxidants. It is not 5,000. We are giving you 7,000 ORAC units of antioxidants, which is enough for a human body to sustain and have a quality of life. Well, as I told you, it contains 15 antioxidant fruits, of which 5 are considered as berries, and the remaining fruits are the regular fruits, but these fruits are good with antioxidants. Almost all the fruits in iPulse, if you see, they are containing 3 important things. The first thing is they are good with antioxidants. Second thing, they all contain the polyphenols. The third thing is they contain this proanthocyanidins. These are the 3 important things which the fruits of iPulse contain, my dear friends. Because of this, it is called as an antioxidant drink actually. So, as I told you, it helps in fighting out the free radicals, which are nothing but the root causes of the disease. So whenever the free radicals are neutralized, so automatically the manifestation of the disease can be prevented as well. This is how exactly iPulse is going to help you in combating the oxidative stress and gives you a stress-free life, as well as It also helps you to get longevity as well as rejuvenation as well. Well, there are a lot of benefits of iPulse, starting with the cardiovascular benefits, where the most important question that most people ask is what is its role on the heart? It helps strengthen the heart muscles. This is very important. Heart is also an organ which is muscular in nature. It contains a lot of muscles. So it makes your heart strong. It also removes the bad fat, improves the circulation process. It also protects each and every cell of the human body, where it rejuvenates each and every cell. It builds your proteins, it fights against the viruses and the bacteria. Not only this, it also has a lot of anti-cancer benefits. Along with this, it also gives you a lot of nervous system benefits, where it strengthens your memory. It gives you a good mental clarity as well. It also has a lot of anti-diabetic benefits, where it controls the complications of diabetes, basically, my dear friends. So it is good for diabetes, especially for the complications of diabetes. 20 ml in the morning and 20 ml in the night, half an hour before breakfast and half an hour before dinner is a wonderful dose to be used. And in case of children, it should be given above 1 year only. As I regularly tell you, above 1 year you can give it up till 6 years. Even above 6 years you can give it, but still in chronic cases above 1 year you can definitely give iPulse. Well, so far as the age limit, that is a thing. Duration of intake, you can definitely give iPulse, from 3 months, as long as desired, at least for a minimum period of 3 months it should be used. During pregnancy, it should be used at least for a period of 6 months. This is very important. After 6 months of pregnancy, it should not be used. So during the lactation process, it is very important. That is the first month of the delivery, it should not be used. From the second month onwards, you can safely use iPulse for the lactating women. I hope the points are clear to everybody. 30 ml in the morning and 30 ml in the night, half an hour before breakfast and half an hour before dinner is the ideal and an apt dose for iPulse. Well, my dear friends, as you all know that this is a question answer time. So let me take up the questions now. Today my colleague Ms. Saujanya has collected the questions for me. As I've told you before, even if I am not able to answer the questions on live, I will definitely take up the questions through the link. This is important. Please use the link, enter your email ID and phone number as well as your name and pose your question. My team will definitely be able to answer each and every question of yours, my dear friends. Thank you so much, Vivites, for your wholehearted participation. So let me take up some of the questions from the last week now. So one of the questions is from Ms. Alekia Ketha. I suggested iPulse for a brain cancer patient. He is under radiotherapy. Please suggest how he can use iPulse. You can definitely give 30 ml in the morning and 30 ml in the night, half an hour before breakfast and half an hour before dinner. The next question is by Mr. Lukman Hakim. One of my customers is losing weight when using iPulse. What is the problem? See, iPulse does not have any such adverse effects or side effects till date. Whenever you use iPulse and after the food, for example, then there is an increase in the weight sometimes, but not before the food. So the next question is by Mr. Archana Kesri. My 67-year-old aunt is suffering from bronchoasthma. Can we give iPulse? Absolutely yes, but not in cold condition. Keep it out of the refrigerator. Once you keep it out of the refrigerator, once it comes to the room temperature, you can give 30 ml in the morning and 30 ml in the night, half an hour before the food. So the next question is by Miss Deepu. My customer is diabetic. I gave him iPulse and iCoffee. iPulse 20 ml twice and iCoffee is 1 in the morning and 1 in the night. Sugar levels have increased. I'd like to tell you one thing. If the sugar levels are increasing, please give 1 sachet of iCoffee in the afternoon and 1 sachet in the night. Stop it in the mornings. Even iPulse 20 ml in the afternoon, half an hour before lunch, and 20 ml in the night, half an hour before dinner. Stop both the products in the mornings. Continue it in the afternoons and nights. Then the problem will reduce. So the next question is by Mr. Thomas Panikar. What are the benefits of iPulse? Does it have any effects on clogging of arteries and other symptoms? As I told you, Mr. Panikar, if you are watching this, so far as the cholesterol issues are concerned, especially in the heart, as I told you, it reduces the bad cholesterol and enhances the HDL, and it also reduces, once it is reducing the cholesterol and triglycerides, so automatically the clogging or the clotting of arteries in the heart can be reduced, so that the future heart attacks can be prevented. You can certainly give 30 ml twice, half an hour before the food. So the next question is by Mr. Ranit Jha. iPulse and iSlim, how to use it in the night? So since we are not consuming dinner, how to use iPulse in this condition? A very good question. So far as iPulse is concerned, And ice slim is also contained. As we have already told in ice slim must be consumed between 7 to 9 p.m. in the evening by having an optional dinner at 6 p.m. in the evening. So far as iPulse is concerned, what you can do is, after consuming iPulse ice slim also, by 9 o'clock in the night you can consume 30 ml of iPulse. Don't worry about your dinner, directly consume 30 ml of iPulse, then you can go for bed. I hope my point is clear to you. So the next question I am taking here is by Mr. Amit Paswan. So will it work for blood cancer patient? Yes, it will definitely work for blood cancer patients. As a generalized health supplement, you can use it 30 ml in the morning and 30 ml in the night. Half an hour before food can be used. So the next question is by Mr. Koteshwar Rao. Can we use iPulse for hair problems? There is no kind of a testimony that we have on the hair related issues. So I would not suggest this for any kind of a hair problem. So the next question is by Mr. Nani Abraham. One of my customer is suffering from heavy gastritis or acidity after drinking iPulse, after mixing it with water also. What I would like to suggest you is 15 ml of iPulse in the morning and 15 ml in the night can be taken along with consumption of 3 to 4 liters of cold water in a day. This can definitely reduce the symptoms. So the next question is by Mr. Saujal Pal. Saujal, one of my customer is using iPulse for migraine for 2 months. How many bottles can be used? You should definitely consume this at least for a minimum period of 3 months. That is 30 ml in the morning and 30 ml in the night. Half an hour after food could be a better dose in migraine. So the next question is by Mr. Baby Abiham. If I am spelling your spelling properly, I am taking iPulse and iGlow. Which is to be taken first? iPulse should be taken half an hour before food. iGlow should be taken 15 minutes after food in the morning and night. I hope my point is clear to you. So the next question is by Mr. Rahul Aretti. For vitamin D, iPulse or iCharge? Both iPulse and iCharge does not contain vitamin D because vitamin D is having different sources and we have not added any vitamin D in the product. iPulse can be definitely taken as a generalized health supplement along with your vitamin D supplements. I hope my point is clear. So the last question of the day I am taking is by Mr. Amit Paswan. iPulse for leukoderma disease. Leukoderma or vitiligo again is an autoimmune problem where I would suggest you to use iPulse 30 ml in the morning, half an hour after breakfast, and 30 ml in the night, half an hour after dinner. In case of leukoderma, at least for a minimum period of 6 months would be better. I hope my point is clear, Mr. Amit Paswan. So thank you so much, Vivites. I would like to thank my colleague Asma for collecting the questions for me today. So this is for the day. So whatever, suppose if you have any more questions, you can definitely come to our Facebook page and you can chat. You can pose your question on the messenger as well as on the link which is appearing below the chat box. Please do use the link. I'm stressing this on a daily basis. Please click the link, enter your email ID, your name and your phone number, pose your question so that my team can get back to you with the answers. Thank you so much, Vivites, for your patient watching. This is Dr. Balu Kolar, Head of Product Development and Training, signing off from the desk. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day ahead.